Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to report a thread in X. Reporting a thread can help maintain a safe and respectful community environment. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once you're in the app, ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots located above the posts. Tap on the 3 dots to access additional options and settings related to the thread. Step 3. From the Options menu, tap on Report Post. This action will notify the X moderators about the thread and its content. Step 4. It's important to inform why you are reporting the thread. Provide a clear and concise explanation regarding the violation, such as harassment, spam, or inappropriate content. This helps the moderators understand the issue and take appropriate action. By following these simple steps, you can report a thread in X and contribute to a safer and more enjoyable community experience. Reporting threads in X helps maintain community guidelines and ensures that inappropriate or harmful content is addressed promptly. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more X-related tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and together, let's create a positive and respectful community in X.